Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a 3D text on CapCut PC. Just going to add in the default text here real quick, and I'm just going to type in gaming. I'm going to make it bolder, and I'm going to choose a different font. Maybe this one. And to make it look a little bit 3D, you can do the shadow, and then whoa, what happened? Okay, there we go. Sorry. You can add in shadow and turn down the blurriness. Let me just adjust the font size again. And then here you can adjust the distance a little bit, but it looks like this. And you can adjust the angle a little bit to make it look a little bit more 3D. And you can change the color if you like to. You can also copy and paste instead. We're still going to use this though to like make it a little bit more bulky. But I'm going to color the text black, and I'm going to delete the shadow here. And just kind of try to adjust it with the shadow here. But that's pretty much it. Really super simple. Here we go. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.